Well, get ready to make lightning inside. Who else but Jetpack Jason from Mad Science can show us how to do that? Well, we're about to build static electricity. And Jason, you brought in the balloons.
I did, yeah. I mean, what better way to show static electricity than with balloons? I mean, who hasn't done this, right?
Yeah.
So I'll let you have that one. So we're going to rub it in our hair, you know, do this. And what we're doing?
What we did as children, yeah.
Yeah, right? So we're stripping electrons off the balloon, right? We're making our balloons positive. Think positive, right?
Yeah.
And then we can take that, since it's positive, we can stick it on something that might be negative. Apparently I'm negative today. Look at that. Oh, I need positive energy. But I tell you what, so that's how static electricity works. It's all about electrons, storing electrons, right?
Okay.
So we can take that to another level rather than sticking balloons onto things. I mean, that's a fun thing to do at home, right?
Yeah.
But we can take this, in fact, I'll hand that to you. It's our magic wand, and you can hold that like straight up and down. Like this. We have some pie tins here. And then when you push this button, what's going to happen is we're going to get this belt inside of here going really, really fast. There we go.
Oh my gosh, we got everything flying.
Right. So you're stripping off those electrons, throwing them into these little pans here. And then these all become negative, and then like forces like that, like negative forces, so there's like all this negativity built up in here, they repel each other.
Whoa, whoa,
and so
I feel like one's getting stuck to my mic pack now.
You can see them flying off, right? And that's just because they're all like full of electrons, and electrons don't like to be next to other electrons. So we can take that, and this is fun. I mean, it's cool. We can make things fly with it, right? But let's go like to the real thing
next
here.
level.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this basically just built up. Inside of here, this is called, well, actually, this is called a Graaff Generator. So inside of here, we have this belt, and we're going to turn this on, and that's going to strip off electrons and put it into this thing. In fact, yeah, go ahead and turn that on.
Okay.
Yeah, and then where you can get, I can speed this up a little bit. All right, stand back a little bit. You can see we start getting.
We have sparks flying.
You can hear it, right?
Yeah.
So
we can see it right there.
We have ourselves some real static electricity happening here. Now, this is fun because we can make all of these electrons kind of repel each other. All the electrons in your hair. So make your hair stand on end. You think?
Well, I guess we're ready for that.
All
I
right.
got like one segment or two left. So
let's do it. So why don't you go ahead and put your hands, both hands, just right on top of that, just like that.
Am I going to get a shock from this?
I hope not.
Okay, well, we're just throwing that out there.
It's only like 100,000 volts. You'll be fine. There you go. Just hold them right on top there. No, you'll be fine.
Shockless,
I've done this millions and millions of times. I only sent about 16 volunteers to the hospital, so we're okay. All right.
That's a good ratio.
Right? Yeah, you're good. All right, here we go. And if you do feel a little bit of a shock, let me know, and I'll stop. All right. All right. Here we go. We're going to take this away. All right, shake your head around a little bit. Let's see if your hair is it doing anything?
Is there too much hairspray in there?
There might be a lot of hair. Oh, there you go. You're starting to get somewhere. Shake it around a little more. More. You're starting to get a little bit there. All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Keep your hands right there. We're gonna get a little bit of a shock. There you go. How'd you feel?
We did get a little shock.
What you felt was all of those electrons that were built up in this going into your body. When I put that, you can take your hands away.
Oh my gosh.
Don't touch anybody.
Okay.
No, I'm kidding. You can. You're fine.
We're good now?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, because I was going to say we can just give you a little shock there.
Yeah, you did a little bit.
Transversing that electricity inside.
Right, yeah. You became this, and so you stored a lot of electricity. And that's really how lightning works.
Okay, well, thank you so much, Jetpack Jason. No one else but this guy could help us make lightning inside. Well, let's get herbs and mushrooms.